perform their share of economic production and even go further and imagine, create, and build the Kenya of our future. Education, therefore, matters for our freedom and self-reliance, and is the enabler and optimizer of every other undertaking. We have taken all possible measures and pursued every available option to actualize our vision to make education at all levels accessible, affordable, and inclusive, and removed social and economic barriers to the attainment of the highest education by all Kenyans. Beyond subsidizing primary and secondary education in all our public primary and day secondary schools, we have reimagined higher education financing to deliver equity and broader access to all Kenyans, with special attention to enabling the most vulnerable learners to realize their right to education. We have also employed 35,000 teachers in a historic and unprecedented drive to improve the national teacher-pupil ratio and enhance performance. Additionally, we are designing the competence-based education curriculum to make it responsive to our education needs at the point of our social, cultural, and economic development. Finally, the National Open University will obtain its charter in the course of this month, and as we speak,